So everybody wants to know why I'm getting out of the credit repair industry. And the answer is simple. I can't compete with scammers, and I don't want to compete with scammers. The credit repair industry was designed for scammers. And I honestly do not want any part of the credit repair industry anymore. And that's why I took a full-time position working for the attorneys that used to work for me. Me and my attorneys feel like no consumer should have to pay for credit repair out of pocket. There should be no processing fee, there should be no monthly fees, and you should not have to pay for credit monitoring every single month. Also, a lot of consumers fall for credit repair scams like credit sweeps, the data breach method, sex trafficking, and more. We want to help you, and we want to help you for free. But we don't just want to help you fix your credit, we want to help you get thousands of dollars in your pocket and thousands of dollars worth of debts waived as well. So if you would like our help, just go to the link in the description, and I'll also leave it in the comments to sign up for free litigation-backed credit repair. Also, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope everybody has a great night.